हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर कोचिंग सेंटर। आपनालोके যদি এই চেনেলটোত নতুনকৈ আহিছে তেনেহলে চেনেলটোক সাবস্ক্রাইব কৰিব আৰু ভিডিঅটো প্ৰথমৰ পৰা শেষলৈকে চাব। ইংলিশ গ্ৰামাৰ ফৰ কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সাম প্ৰতিযোগিতামূলক পৰীক্ষাৰ কাৰণে ইংলিশ গ্ৰামাৰৰ এটা ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট পাৰ্ট আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে লৈ আহিছো। চাওক, নাম্বাৰ 1, ওয়াটাৰ ড্যাশ অফ হাইড্ৰোজেন এণ্ড অক্সিজেন। ইয়াৰ এনসারটো হব অপশন বি। Question number 2, the old man dash the Gita every day. ইয়ার এনসারটো হব অপশন ডি। Next question, the child dash because it cannot find its mother. ইয়ার এনসারটো হব অপশন এ, is crying. The child is crying because it cannot find its mother. Next question, do not disturb Amal, he dash an essay. ইয়ার এনসারটো হল অপশন বি, is writing. Do not disturb Amal, he is writing an essay. Next, he dash in Guwahati for 10 years. Here answer to all option C, has lived. He has lived in Guwahati for 10 years. Next, have you dash Taj Mahal. Here answer to all option D, seen. Have you seen the Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal আগত এটা দি হব। Next, Naren dash famous as a wrestler. Here answer to all option A, has lately become. Naren has lately become famous as a wrestler. Next, she dashed on the violin for an hour. Here answer to all option B, has been playing. She has been playing on the violin for an hour. Next, he dashed here yesterday. Here answer to all option C, came. He came here yesterday. Next, he dashed the sum before the teacher came. Here answer to all option A, had done. He had done the sum before the teacher came.